Hello everyone and welcome to video how to get faster in Gran Turismo by comparing our lap and the world record lap. I'm going to show how to use a video editing app on a mobile phone in order to compare two lap replays and see where we can improve our times and skills. You can use any video editor you like. I'm using app on a mobile phone called CapCut. Press new project and select replay that I downloaded in advance, a world's fastest lap. Press add button in down right hand corner. We are going to rewind video to first corner because there is not so much to compare on a straight line. We pause the video just before we see curb on the left side, where we align our heads-up display to beginning of the curb. We press split button on the lower menu, then mark first part of the video and delete it. Since we will compare two laps on same screen, we will resize and move first video by selecting button basic on lower menu, scale it to 70% and position y-axis to 160. Now press overlay button to add our own lap. Same way how we added first lap. Once again, rewind video to exactly same position on the track, where heads up display is aligned to start of the curb on left side of the track. Press split, mark first part of the video and delete it. Once again, find basic button and press it. Scale video to 70% and this time position it to -345 so we can clearly see both laps at the same time. Slide overlay video to very beginning of the video project so both laps are perfectly aligned to same car position on the track. Now we can study what we are doing compared to the world's fastest by scrolling through time in the video. I put circles around the details to pay attention to. Example, accelerator and brake. That is something that you will need to study in your own video comparison. Right now, I'm just teaching technique how to make a lap comparison in video editor. In this case, as example, you can study how fast the driver takes apex, which gear he is in, when he starts to accelerate, and compare it to our lap when we start to accelerate, in order to learn where we can improve, and the next time we drive the lap, try to replicate how fast as drivers are doing it. Once again, if I compare two videos, we will see that the world's fastest is already 3 to 4 km/h faster than us. I will fast forward straight line because we both go flat out here and there is not so much to compare. Once again, we will stop video when lower video where fastest car is reach beginning of the curve on left side. We press split again just so we have a marker to which to align slower car video. Now mark our replay and press split button. Now scroll forward until our car is aligned to same position on the track, which is visible on upper video on the screen. We press split again and we can actually read 0.9 seconds is length of the video we will need to cut in order to align our car to fastest car. Delete that marked part of overlay video and then align both videos again so both cars are again on the very same position of the track. Now once again scroll through the videos and compare where we release gas, when we start to brake, and compare to fastest car how he is doing it in order to learn how to do it next time and drive faster. One particular detail to pay attention to is apex of next corner. Which gear is fastest car using, when exactly he's shifting, when exactly he's pressing gas and how much he's pressing. and compare it how we are doing it in order to learn how to do it next time. As you can see in this video, our car is pressing gas much after we passed apex, and we should have done it earlier at the very apex. Once again, we repeat same thing, we fast forward until we reach curb. Check lower video in the upper screen how car is now aligned to beginning of the curb. Press split button, mark overlay video, and press split button again. Scroll forward until our car aligns to exactly same position on the track, beginning of the curb. Press split again, and once again you can see that the difference in video length is 0.9 seconds. That much time we lost from previous corner. Delete that part and align both videos to same position again. You can now study again how both cars take this corner. Repeat these steps for full lap, and at the end press the button at the top right hand corner to export video. You can now watch exported video in your video player and study and compare laps. Thank you for watching.